If you want to import SIM contacts on your CMF Phone 2 Pro, what you need to do is go to the Contacts app that we can find, for example, in the app drawer. Once you go over here, choose Organize in the bottom right corner. Scroll down in order to find Manage SIM. And if you have more than one SIM, if you have 2 SIM cards, then you need to select your SIM card. If you have just one, then after that you should be able to see this screen. Now over here you should be able to find the list of all contacts that you have saved on your SIM card. You can also check over here on these boxes in order to decide which contacts should be imported. And over here where we have Save To, you can choose where you want to save your contacts. So you can either choose your, for example, Google accounts, one of your Google accounts, or you can choose your device internal storage. And once you decide what you want to import and where, you can press import over here in the top right corner. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!